Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 22nd, 2025, we're examining Litecoin, ticker symbol CUSD. We'll combine recent news with technical analysis to understand potential trading strategies. Let's dive into the latest Litecoin news. According to recent reports, the SEC delayed Canary LTC ETF. However, Bloomberg ETF analysts say Litecoin regulatory filings have been acknowledged and the SEC likely views it as a commodity. Additionally, over 80% of investors are betting on a Solana and Litecoin ETF approval this year. Utila now supports Litecoin, indicating growing adoption. Some analysts are predicting Litecoin could reach $160 by March 2025, suggesting a bullish reversal breakout. However, other platforms predict a more gradual increase, with an average price near $93.90 by December 2025 based on technical analysis. Now, let's move on to the chart analysis, starting with the daily timeframe to get a broad overview of CUSD's price action. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a significant rally between late February and early March 2024, where the price jumped from around $74 to over $100. Following the surge, there's been a period of consolidation and correction, with price hovering between $60 and $80 from approximately July 2024 to November 2024. Since November 2024, the price action has generally been trending upwards, albeit with considerable volatility. More recently, we've seen a period of sideways movement, indicating uncertainty in the market. Now, let's zoom in on a more recent time frame, from the start of 2025 to present. This should give us a better idea of current trends and potential near-term movements. Filtering the daily chart to show 2025 data onwards, we see Litecoin making higher highs, although recent candles are showing decreased momentum. It's also good to know that Litecoin's third halving event is expected on Wednesday. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a shorter-term view. On the 1-hour chart, we observe more granular price fluctuations. There is an increase from around $82 on May 20th, 2025, up to almost $89 on May 21st. Then we can see a steep drop down to $85 near the end of May 21st, and hovering near the $85 range now at May 22nd. The current price of CUSD is showing signs of recovery after sharp drop, but the overall direction remains uncertain. The recent price action on the 1-hour chart suggests a short-term bearish sentiment, possibly influenced by the recent SEC news or general market volatility. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to analyze the most recent candles more closely. Switching to the 15-minute chart gives us a micro view of today's trading activity. The immediate trend seems to show ranging near the $94 area with an upper band of around $94.80. The candles are very small, however. To recap, important price levels to watch include the recent high around $89 and potential support at the low of $85 from the previous day. A move above $90 could signal renewed bullish momentum, while a drop below $85 might indicate a further correction. The likelihood of Litecoin reaching $160 by March depends heavily on positive ETF developments and overall market sentiment, which seems unlikely in the short term but possible long term. Continued adoption and successful execution of Litecoin's roadmap will also be crucial. Keep an eye on any announcements regarding regulatory approvals, partnerships, or technological upgrades, as these could act as positive catalysts for CUSD. For now, trade carefully and always manage your risk.